In response to the global CrowdStrike issue, we have created the following video to walk you through the manual steps required to get your Windows computer back up and going. The first step is to boot into Windows recovery environment. To do so, simply attempt to boot your computer 3 consecutive times. This will automatically launch the Windows recovery environment. Once in the recovery environment, select Troubleshoot. Next, select Advanced Options. If you have the command prompt option listed, select it. If you do not, select Startup Settings. After selecting Startup Settings, select Restart. Once the Startup Settings screen is displayed, select Option 6, Enable Safe Mode with Command Prompt. Your device will then be rebooted and you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Once the command window is displayed, you will enter the following command and then hit the Enter button. Once you have successfully executed the command, you may close out of the command prompt. Select the Continue option to restart your computer. After your computer reboots, you will be once again presented with a login screen. Upon login, your computer should be fully functional. If you're prompted to enter an encryption key or you encounter any difficulties executing these steps, please contact IT Solutions at 215-886-7168 or by emailing helpdesk@itsolutions-inc.com.